There's an unusual weather event happening in Japan right now. Tokyo is receiving its first November snow in 54 years. Reporter and Queenslander Rachel Mealy is out in it and she joins us now with a few of her mates there. Rachel, just how cold is it?
Oh dear, I can't hear him.
Oh no!
Oh no, I can.
We can hear Rachel.
How are you?
Not too bad. Just how cold is it there? And who have you got with you?
Never a dull moment in Japan. It's always good to talk to you. These are my kids, Bridie and Leo. Say hi to Joe. You remember them when they were babies. And here we are dropping them off at school in Tokyo. And it's snowing in November. Who knew?
And so this is the first time that's happened in 54 years?
That's right. It's a cold snap basically has moved down from Hokkaido and met with a rain cloud over this area in Tokyo. It's called the Kanto Plain. And this snow event is happening across Tokyo and across the rest of the region this morning. So I've lived in Tokyo. This will be my 7th winter. And usually it only snows once or twice a season, and that's most definitely after Christmas, sort of in the January, February area when it is just cold in Tokyo. But this is an extraordinary weather event, I can report.
Okay, and so as you mentioned, there is snow generally at other times of the year, but a couple of times of the year. But because it's happening this early in the season, is it likely that this is going to affect the transport systems there?
Well, yeah, snow in a city of 30 million people generally causes a bit of chaos. People slow down because of the icy conditions on the roads, and that causes backups and chaos all over the place. And train lines sometimes stop. But what we're not seeing this morning is an accumulation of snow on the ground. As you can see, it's just sort of hitting the ground and looking a bit like rain. So hopefully the chaos side of it might not be as large, but the fun side of it is still here, that's for sure.
Yeah, not enough for a snowman at this stage just yet,
though.
No,
I think we might have to wait for a snowman, but enough to fall on our heads and make us cold.
Okay, and what's the latest on the situation in the wake? Because we were just talking to you the other day after that earthquake and those small tsunamis started hitting the Japanese coast. Have you felt tremors over the last couple of days?
Yeah, well, there was another aftershock this morning of magnitude 6.1 that we felt here in Tokyo, but it wasn't by any means as long a period of shaking or any sort of sustained or powerful shakes. It was really just a bit of a wobble, 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 just once again telling us to get out of bed. I think it happened at about 6:28 this morning. There were no tsunami alerts issued this time around, so everyone can breathe a sigh of relief. So that one that we talked about on Wednesday morning was a magnitude 7.4. Today's was a magnitude 6.1. And both of them are said to be aftershocks of the magnitude 9 earthquake that happened in 2011.
Yeah. Now, usually when Queenslanders move to colder climes, it takes a while for them to know how to dress properly. It looks like you still need to learn how to have something over your head, like your kids. At least your kids have been there long enough to know they should be wearing a hoodie.
They're already, and I left the house and I said, oh no, I've forgotten my beanie. Should I go back? And just when we were waiting to cross, I was going to steal Bridie's beanie and put it on my head.
Good to see you being a responsible parent and let Bridie keep wearing the beanie. Okay, great to talk to you, Rachel, there with snow in Tokyo for the first time in 54 years in November. Catch you later, guys.
Say bye to Joe. Bye. See you.
Okay, great to talk to Rachel there in Tokyo.